Shalom, shalom, shalom. Akim, I'm the brother Malawan from GMS Suriname, coming back with another quick lesson. Before I start with this lesson, I want to give all praises and honors to Yahweh Bashim Yahweh Bashim Rakakuta Shalamat. I want to give double honors to the elders and apostles of Cardinal Stone. Men that are worthy for double honors and much love and salutations unto the brothers out there that are teaching this word in truth and sincerity. Shalom, shalom, shalom. So I will be going into this article. you know, for context, this article mainly goes into preparedness, of the people, the government trying to warn the people, of the things that are coming, or something that they are trying to set up, because you can never trust these devils, man. You know, they'll play the good guy and warn you, like, yeah, be prepared, be this, be that, all this time. They're the one you need to be prepared for, man. They're the evil that's coming. But I'm also true for the Suriname language and my people, you may understand me. So shalom, shalom barang sa isabito walis abara adibri dis baka isabito. So ako bar people fanta kia prepare di sanga dati terwel na enawa na nga de lang ati figi sa prepare isabito. Publish article from the main page of BBC News. Public to be told how to prepare for a cyber attack and weather emergencies. The public will be urged to take small but important steps to prepare for food or water shortages in the event of a cyber attack or severe weather. The government has said it has updated its parliament on its national resilience plans. Cabinet Office Minister Darren Jones said a public awareness campaign would be launched later this year to help people prepare for emergencies. Isa lang kaya lang so kung go. So lang mo kan. Yes, ito. There's a government is over the people that they bigi prepare. Isabito. Giwan sansa e kung isabito. E de maser poti na parliament fantag do bigi kenki de plan isabito for the sansa. Isabito. The parliament isabito on its national resilience plans. Dus de man sabta kwasa de onderweg. What it is specific. De man no kote you. Isabito. De man no kote you. Maar de man sa fatak anytime something can happen. Isabito. If nulugbunan de man serve na something so happen. Isabito. Maar in model do ko bari fatak di sanga di sabito. Ko please ko morovara. Isabito. He also said, he also said the government would carry out the largest UK home defense exercise in several decades next year to ensure the UK is ready. Quotes, should the worst ever happen. Oh, there's no demand. Set one exercise is a bit the largest in decades is a bit in model is a bit that demand they prepared. Should the worst ever happen, is a bit sana the worst is a bit tolo usapan at buo kriting e konta pagronta polisi is a bit. Separately, the National Risk Register has been updated with 7 new risks, including the threat of a cyber attack on water infrastructure. Is a bit dus dat bij de United Kingdom. Dus wat zijn die gevoelig? Water, stroom, gas, is a bit. Dus wat zijn die gevoelig? Want baka ala de pigi infrastructure dis. Na computer din baka e control alasan. Na computer de may manage na control desan. Imit af omen de jasa ipsa alasan na via computer. Isabito, yung tapi water na ko ni may dire ko to ko pap de may tapen blank. Want to may rekong de may tapi water of afstand self de may katapen tu. Isabit na so de may seta hindi bigi ko dire. Stroom self tu. Isabito no ako full san. Frag yung cyber attack no ako full san isabito. That make them ang isabito de bigi board the people for that udi iwan te huor. Dus in a day voor isabito ala kofu eteri. If na bom demo sutu dat is één, if na kuguru, if na terrorisme dat is één. Maar akadema cyber attack tu stroom vanuit alla prijs. En if stroom gue watra gue internet gue standaard. De drie standaard altijd de follow ne baka. If stroom gue ala sa e anga onder a paraplu fu stroom. If I don't do. Sabito. Stroom na wan fu de pillar for one society, electricity. Sabito. Dan na wan fu de pillar, isabito. The two biggie tomorrow biggie pillar na electricity na nga fuel. Tana the two biggie pillar. Isabito, if fuel fadong electricity sirf ka biggie dan sinan siya fado ila mal. If electricity fadong air conditioner se fe cripple. O men presi fuel no ma move moro. Isabito, wan de pompo na nga strom de loko. Ala de sana na strom. Isabito, meet af o men disanganati o men elaigo na strom. Isabito. And if that gue alasan ne gue. Isabito. Dus dat make them biggie bar. The people make the people prepare. Isabito. Puset san. In het geval wat gebeurt, ja, wie batra watra in ja, kibri kibri in model. Sabito, ik kan survive. Isabito, maar uno nebo utab do society. Maar osa fantak, werkelijk wan fema ne ko according to the scriptures. Maar fema dat, wan batra watra no ma yepi. Isabito, fema dat na. Ana kosan nanga batra watra. Isabito. Isabito. Maar post me going dati, isabito. If the man tak wan san ekong, wina make it sila nga, maar if the man sap tak wan san ekong, isabito, war okong, chaos okong, if stroom gue bijvoorbeeld, chaos okong, en if chaos kong, ala des man sa afeati, des man na bigi torget, maar de bribi bang ode de moro bigi torget in atendati, isabito, in aten fufu trouble, war, isabito, burgeroorlog, the people of target the bribi wang, die man ter fate jump up the people, isabito, big be take a scripture dysflexie. It's book of Matthew chapter 10 verse 16. Behold, I send you forth as sheep in the midst of wolves. Be therefore wise as serpents and harmless as doves. Isabit ano na, de magi wa warning fa daki ya prepare di sanga dati apa ang batara watara di sanga dati. Sabito kibiri kibiri battery flashlight de sot sanda dati. Isabito tayo long go hopi up na nga wa ala de sot sanda dati sa no ma yep you. Isabito one of flashlight na nga battery wa batara watara of halal watara no ma hori diri mula nga. Isabito we siya kwa hair con yun nga guduma ya kwa hair container na nga sonya. If the man boroko ko in you also you abi long way liba air container that. Isabito, that make inattend that yabi move na nga wisdom. Yabi the wise as serpents. Isabito, inam go low low. Take waka low low inattend that. Isabito, of you take waka like the trasma. Isabito, the ma o apeti you. Want give them a perfect opportunity for doing something nga you sonder consequence. Want tell that kill netaki. Smakadele de sister ati kelwa gerepsa. The man is pa. Het is iedereen voor zichzelf. Isabito, inattend dat is het iedereen voor zichzelf. Isabito, kom take this snel. Kom take this snel. Take this kan. Spoke of second Ezra chapter 15, verse 15. For the sword and their destruction draweth nigh, and one people shall stand and fight against another, and swords in their hands. Dis na lala burgeroorlog. Isabito, sa ofit drapin Amerika, nga ometra kondre ta pagrunta ko. En drapin Amerika, isabito, omev this state, ikaw akahuna nga gong. Sa ikonom sa te burgeroorlog start. Kofune, koforo. Isabito, nawalo mo piki fardual. Isabito, alla de man na ode like the purge. And alla de man sabi apang grudge di ka tramang. De mo go satisfy a grudge that. De mo okongi you. Dus yabi move na nga wisdom. Yabi thank you for si move. Isabito inapisten dati. Isabito. For all the prophet, uno like the prophet. If the people abeti ho uno and inatenda de mo suku uno. De mo suku uno, de mo suku de baby one. Isabito for all inate ko Jacob's trouble. The make yabif the wise inatenda ti. Yabif up feed for all. Brief takamore o look of you. Isabito inatenda ti. Isabito. Come take this here. It's book of Isaiah chapter 65 verse 13. Therefore thus said the Lord Yahweh, behold my servant shall eat, but he shall be hungry. Behold my servant shall drink, but he shall be thirsty. Behold my servant shall rejoice, but he shall be ashamed. Behold my servant shall sing for joy of heart, but he shall cry for sorrow of heart, and shall howl for vexation of spirit. Dus inapisten disi. De true believe ang amo na uluk of deng. Wis fa asan ka so extreme ina kondre.
Wis akonte ja intera na asan ko sorso extreme kuli bigi kir blakama fordwal blakama bigi kir kuli fordwal. Isabito ala pres lake de. Burger oorlog, lala burger oorlog. Mangilanga oro ere in pick-up na nga gong oti gong isabito. Na piste na libi na buar de moro. Amore o look of de bribi wafi. En na piste da de bribi wafi olafu. To enjoy. Do de safe. Isabito. That you must bribi. If you ne bribi that if you ne bribi na moro iwa. You ne bribi that more about powerful look of you in attendati. You ne bribi that. Isabito. In attendati abif hold fast. Isabito sa amore wangi. A faith sa agi you. Abif hores mong stampo. Isabito. Abif libi de scripture. Je meditate tab de herdi. Libi de scripture gewoon isabito. Niet later, maar je gaat het moeten leven, uitleven. Sa ilisi sa iere, yo abif libi so. Isabito. Ina ka move le kwa corner check morwan de dini lala. If you make one wrong move, ikatete. Isabito. Dus je abif move ang wisdom in atin dati. Abif thank you for si move, isabito. It's book of Proverbs chapter 18 verse 10. The name of the Lord is a strong tower. The righteous run into it and is safe. Dewa sasaba nefa moro iwa. Sabito. Sasaba doctrine, a true doctrine. Isabito. Amoro iwa. What they safe. Isabito. That na their power. That na their safety. Isabito. But the carnal one, the rich man's wealth is his strong city. And his high walls is his own conceit. Yeshito. Ang kudu, isabito. Fuamang, fuang cornel man, that na ama power, that na ama safety. Milukote wa mga ko gudu, amane muflet de Pinas mamoro. Isabit frata ama bigi ko gudu fala, extremely wealthy. Mga bigi up security. Isabit, wis amane wa ka na nga security. Inamare ko na mauso na consumer, like fa, iere gomititando ko, ya parker ya wakago. Club is imante si opodoro ke fitanto da oso. Da pine me kasana, da pina anmelde. Trawang in Belfosi, dat na nga assistant di sa nga dat inegomit dem a sumar. Dem a distance des refi on dat na dem a safety. Isabito ema mga duwasan na nga din. Yabi meldi anfesina por na security force. Giyuneng da security obel ko a insino. Isabito ala de sa na dini and dat na dem a safety. Isabito a safety that no mayem dem a inate fu trouble. Inate fu burger orlog. Inate fu Jacob's trouble. Jugudu no mayem yung. Isabito. Silangan libi na abuarda moro, gudu sila to abuarda moro. Isabito. Wat kayo man at health kayo do asyo tuben. Ini ka na security fi o wan dede fa amoni sa you abi. Ano ta kama abi, you abi na mam ko dede ke. A security long way moto ita yerwa kayo siya dati. Libi you wan dala pe ni bigi oso. Make them a konteki. Isabito. Tapos inatin dati. Ina ko power sa uma keep you safe na yaw pa siya yaw siya. That's that hold fast. That's that hold fast. Isabito. Gudo na nga mo ni no mayep yu inatin dati. Omlat inamapay na was ma inatin dati food dedegi yu. Inamapay na was ma abdo asan dati. As lang inamando dat kaya nit fail sin. Na pistin dati libino abuano. Inilumba igi security fee typon in kukur na pibig nyala sa nila oso. Isabito. Is inatin dan na yaw wash yaw siya yung keep you safe. And as a government ko tayo people in UK, ya father kaya in prepare this them get right with the Lord that they abif to. And of course, prepare this nga that preparedness app wala so sa hindi abif get right with the Lord that you want ka save you. That you want. Isabito. The Israelites sa de apel abif get right with the Lord. That they abif so they abif prepare. Ano de sansa de deki. Ya mo bigi by dri halon water apot yung extra pack sa kaalisi di sa nga nati. Is need slech madat kachin di halpo. Facilifo ni tere da kom takeso o ye pinanganyang de esto wiki mar ano lerado yo libi isabito if wanted bari plot sa lingri mabro ko kuina sa asakali sino mayep ya bi flong wel ay sakali sige ba make them manya war mabate maano mayep yo yaw ba shim yaw shay wa kayep yo tag de mano fen yo nyang na nga alisi isabito yaw ba shim yaw shay wa kayep yo isabito Maya, yung pala sa this edify wal mo abo no ko loof up na karad magi ala place na karani baka na mo iwa sa kado wala kala kanefo amore na yahawa na wala kala kanefo apo ifo kana na yahawa shy wala give all praise and honors to yahawa ba shim yahawa shy ba shim ka kut ashalamat I want to give double honors to the elders and apostles of Great Millstone
May the word of faith upon us and much love and salutations unto the brothers out there that are teaching this word in truth and sincerity. Shalom, shalom, shalom.